Hey everyone, many iPhone users are reporting that the wallpaper turns black on their iPhone. So whatever the reason, it may be software update issue after the iOS update. Yeah, your current wallpaper which you set from the photo got corrupted and it can be resolved by following these simple steps guys. So no worries guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue easily. So the first thing you want to do is force restart your iPhone. So this is a highly recommended step if you have any software issue, bug issue, screen displaying issue. So to do this, just click on the volume up and volume down buttons and just immediately then click on the right side button. Don't drag the slide to power off. Just keep on holding until and unless you see a black screen and the Apple logo appears on the screen. You can see the Apple logo appears on the screen. Just wait for minutes. It will restart. It will force restart your iPhone. Now you can see that my iPhone force restart has been successfully completed. So now just log in once again. And after that you go and check if the wallpaper is still turning black on your iPhone. Not. The next thing to do is delete the current wallpaper. So for that, just go to settings. And here you can just try to find wallpaper. So here you go, just tap on it. So guys, now you can see the current wallpaper is set this wallpaper. So you can go for delete. Also you can add new wallpaper. So you can see over here and you just try to select new wallpaper from the list, whatever the appearing over on your iPhone screen. So you can go and just select any iPhone, any the new wallpaper, and then you go and check your issue. If still not resolved, then you should probably fix this issue by updating to the latest iOS version. So to do this, just go to settings and just tap on general, and you can see your software update. Just tap on it. And guys, for me, I don't have any latest software because I already have turned on this automatic updates option. So guys, if any new iOS version is available on your iPhone, then go for download and install it guys. Now you go and check, and I hope your iPhone wallpaper turning black issue got resolved. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you.